How to create account on Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. So first, download and install Instagram application on your device and open the application. Once it opens up, click on create new account just under the login button. And if you want to sign up with your phone number, then go ahead and enter your phone number and click on next. Or if you want to sign up with your email, then click on sign up with email button just under the next button. And enter your email address and click on the next button. And now enter your other information such as your full name, create a password for your account, and enter your date of birth. After entering all your information, you'll be asked to choose a unique username. Your username is the name that will appear on your Instagram profile and will be used by others to mention or tag you. Once you've chosen a username, agree to the Instagram's terms and policies, and now you can add a profile photo, provide some additional information about yourself such as a bio or website link. So if you want to add any of those, you can go ahead and add it. And after setting up your account, you can start exploring Instagram, follow other users, discover new content, and start sharing your own photos and videos by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom corner of the screen. That's it. You have successfully created an Instagram account. Enjoy connecting with others and share your experiences through photos and videos. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.